आपका क्वेश्चन है फ्रॉम एन एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट P tangent PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. If CD is the tangent to a circle at a point E and PA is equal to 14 centimeter, find the perimeter of triangle PCD. Now, तो just we will try to draw it. तो देखो इसने क्या बोला है, there is a circle. This is the circle and this point is your P point, है ना, external point P. This is the center, that is your O. From P there are two tangents, PA and PB. So two tangents are there, 1 and 2. So this is your A and this is your B now. What else he has told? If CD is a tangent to a circle at a point E, that means CD is also a tangent. So that means we will make here. This is your C and this is your D. And this point is your E now, at point E. Now what is the triangle? Triangle is this. And he has given PA is equal to 14 centimeter. That means from here to here it is 14. So that means from here to here it is 14. And the tangents are equal. From here to here it is equal. 14 centimeter. Now if you see, C is the external point. Just try to see from here A and from this. So C is the external point. So we have to find out the perimeter first. Perimeter. So perimeter of this triangle is what? PC plus CE plus ED plus PD. Now, if C is the external point, you can see there are two tangents that are CA and CE. They are equal. CA is equal to CE. And if D is the external point, you can see DB and DE are equal. DB is equal to DE. Now, if we say that from P to A, what is that? P to A, we have PC and CA. PC plus CA. That is your how much? 14 centimeter. We can write it as PC plus CE also by this equation. And PB is what? PB is equal to PD plus DB. This plus this. But we know that DB is equal to DE also. So we can write it as PD plus DE. That is equal to 14 centimeter. Now if you compare this and this by this, you can get 14 plus 14. This and this. This is 14 and this is 14. Now the perimeter is 14 plus 14. That is equal to 28 centimeter.